Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record ADP Paychecks in QuickBooks Online. This process ensures your payroll expenses and liabilities are accurately tracked in your accounting system, keeping your books in sync with your actual payroll data. Let's start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks, from invoices to expenses to journal entries. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Journal Entry. Journal entries are the backbone of manual accounting adjustments and allow you to directly debit and credit the appropriate accounts to match your ADP payroll report. Once the journal entry screen opens, you'll need to enter the date of the payroll and assign a journal number. This keeps your entries organized and makes them easy to reference later during audits or reviews. Now let's move to the debit lines, which represent your expenses. For the first debit line, choose Payroll Expenses from the account dropdown and enter $3,000. This amount reflects the total gross wages paid to your employees during this pay period. Next, add another debit line by selecting Payroll Expenses minus payroll taxes and enter $450. This covers the employer's portion of payroll taxes, which is a separate expense your business must account for. Now it's time to handle the credit lines, which show where the money is going. Select Payroll Liabilities, Federal Taxes, and enter $350 as a credit. This represents the taxes withheld from employee paychecks that you're responsible for remitting to the government. Then select your cash or checking account and enter $3,100 as a credit. This is the net pay that was actually distributed to your employees after all deductions. Before saving, double-check that your total debits equal your total credits. In this example, both sides should equal $3,450. QuickBooks won't let you save an unbalanced entry, but it's good practice to verify the amounts match your ADP payroll report exactly. Take a moment to review all your entries for accuracy. Compare each line item against your ADP report to ensure nothing was missed or entered incorrectly. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save and Close to record the payroll transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.